Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to record sounds in your iPhone 16 Plus smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friend. This is iPhone 16 Plus. So first you have to type here in the app library, uh, voice memos. Then you have to click on this red button to start the recording, and when you just swipe up you will see all other options. There is a pause option and you can resume it like this, and if you want subtitles then you have to click on this and it will show when it friends it will show here the captions. Over here you can see there is no mobile data, it will not show, and you can resume or pause here. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.